Hey, I'm Danny P, and tonight we're making shake and bake chicken. It's just like the name says, shake and bake. Real easy. Get your pouch. They used to include little plastic bags. They stopped doing that because they want to no shaker bags for less plastic packaging. I'm not a fan. I miss those shaker bags. Those were cool. So now I gotta use a gallon bag. Go ahead and empty your pouch into your gallon bag. So here we got our seasoning. And now it's time to shake. I got 8 chicken breasts. They were on sale this week. Woo! And we got a tray. We got the oven preheated to 400 degrees. And let's shake them. It's just like the name implies. Chicken in. Shake it up. Chicken out. And get ready to bake it. We'll fast forward for the rest of these. Okay, we've got all 8 chicken breasts shaked. We're gonna bake them. Before you do anything, it's really important after you touch raw meat of any kind, but especially chicken, you gotta wash your hands. Once you get everything cleaned up, put your chickens in the oven. I'll let that go for about 45 minutes to an hour. One thing you don't want to cook medium rare is chicken. You want to make sure it's cooked all the way through. It absolutely smells amazing in here. Should be done any second. While we're waiting, stretch your fingers. Click that like and follow button. Only takes you a second, but it means a lot to me. Thanks. We'll wait for our Death Star kitchen timer to go off, and then we'll check on that chicken, and we'll get it plated. That means dinner's ready. Come here, check these out. These look great, and they smell even better. Wow. That was easy. Just like the box said. Shake, bake, and now from my kitchen to yours, enjoy. Well, hello, Mila. Can I help you with something? You want some chicken? Yes, this is for you. I will share with you, but it's really, really hot. So yes, Mila, yes, I know. You want the chicken, I know. I will share with you as soon as it's cooled off, okay? You've been a very good girl today. I will take care of you. Maisie, I'll share with you also. But Mila, you're gonna get some too. It's gonna be great, okay? Yeah.